NFTs biggest on-ramp to crypto in Central, Southern Asia and Oceania. Report NFT-related websites accounted for the largest share of crypto-related web traffic in most CSR countries over the last 12 months, according to Chainalysis. News non-fungible tokens, NFTs, may be the biggest driver of crypto adoption in Central, Southern Asia, and Oceania, CSAO, a new report has found. According to a September 21 Chainalysis post titled Crypto Adoption Studies in South Asia, soars in the Southeast, NFT-related actions accounted for 58% of all web traffic going to cryptocurrency services from this region in the second quarter of 2022. Meanwhile, another 21% of traffic in the quarter went to websites of play-to-earn, P2E, blockchain games, with major titles including Axie Infinity, Steppen and Battle Infinity. Chainalysis noted that P2E blockchain games are intimately related to NFTs, as most P2E games feature in-game items in the form of NFTs that can be sold on marketplaces like Magic Eden and OpenSea, thus meaning, CSR countries include India, Thailand, Vietnam, Australia, Singapore, Philippines, and Indonesia, among 25 others, and is home to 7 of the top 20 countries in Chainalysis Crypto Adoption Index. According to a web traffic heatmap, NFT-related websites accounted for the majority of web traffic in almost every country in the CSR region, though blockchain games and entertainment also saw a significant share of traffic. Chainalysis noted this is not necessarily surprising. CSR is a hub for innovation in blockchain-based entertainment, adding, Vietnam topped the Chainalysis Cryptocurrency Adoption Index for the second year in a. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.